Hey, good morning, team. So, just reflecting here this morning on planning, and I was listening to this thought leader who actually must have just finished the book, Learning to Think Strategically. So, I need to check that one out. But he was talking about all about planning. So, I talk a lot about action. So, I see a lot of people not taking action so they don't get what they want. But the probably second most prevalent is I see people taking action, but it is, what would you call it, haphazard. So either one of two things. Number one, they don't have their goals well planned out and they don't really know what they want, so they're just taking haphazard action. Or number two, like in this particular case, they don't have a really good plan, and so they know what they want, but they don't have a good plan and they're out taking action, which is a way to get things done. But when you have good vision, good planning, and right action, that's the secret to success. Hope you're having a great day.